Today on the show, we're gonna make some harissa. Stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. Thank you for tuning in again. Today, no meat, no protein. I'm making a condiment. I'm making harissa. Harissa originated in Tunisia, North Africa, but it's commonly used in North Africa. For that, you need bell peppers, jalapeños, some lemons. I use preserved lemons, caraway seeds, cumin, coriander, garlic, and sumac. So I'm gonna prep all these peppers and other ingredients, and I'll bring you back, okay? So smoker is up to temp. I'm gonna place everything skin side down, so easy to peel if we have to peel it. I'm gonna run this smoker pretty high, maybe around 350, 400. So normally harissa is not smoked. What they do is they steam the peppers, then they get pliable, cook them off till they're reduced to a paste. That's how harissa is made. That's what we're doing today. Instead of steaming, we're gonna smoke these peppers. Oh, pretty high. Today's cook is something different. No protein. It's a condiment. Why not? A little change from meat. Weather is not helping though, but it is what it is. As soon as I start recording this video, it start pouring. I already got my mise en place and everything. I don't want to cancel this video, but we're gonna ride it. Rain or shine, don't matter. Smoker full of peppers. Jalapenos here, bell peppers here, and we're good. Now we're gonna toast our spices, coriander, cumin, some caraway seeds. We need smell-o-vision here. This stuff is good. Turn this up. These are roasted spices. Just a rough grind. It's gonna go in the food processor anyway. Adding the sumac. Nice. So let's check on this fire. I'm trying to keep it fairly hot, so this is good for now. I'm running around 375, 400. That's exactly what I want. So I did clean up and peel all the peppers. This is all the skin I got, and this is the peeled peppers. Beautiful jalapeños and bell peppers, all de-seeded and skinned. I'll probably do 3 batches, so I'm gonna split the garlic and the spices in 3. And some lemons. We don't want a puree, we want a rough chop on it. We still want a little texture, so just suppose just eyeball it till you get the right texture. I think that should be good. Yeah, this is good right here. Alright, good. So this is the texture I wanted, just a few pulses, not too crazy. I don't want it to be pureed. So I'm gonna take this to the stove. I have a pan that's heating up. I'm gonna cook it and reduce it to a paste. Pan is hot. So you want a shallow pan for easy reducing, something like this. So we start developing a fond in the bottom. This stuff right here. It's all the sugars burning. Harissa is cooking for I'd say a good 45 minutes to an hour. Reduced quite a bit. I think it's done. By now I should stop cooking it. Alright, so now we're gonna pack this jar with our harissa. I'll top it with a little bit of olive oil. This will last probably 2 weeks in the fridge with a little olive oil. Prevents molding. But there you go, a nice jar of harissa, better than anything you buy at the store. So this is our harissa. This one is for the fridge. I'm gonna use it right now. The rest are labeled, vacuum packed, and it could be stacked in the freezer. This will last in the freezer for over a year. So that's it for this one today. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for tuning in again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.